Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resolve Windows 10 or 11 update errors. If your PC fails to update, just as you see here, it means some of the Windows files have been corrupted. To achieve this, open Local Drive C and then open the Windows directory on your system. Scroll down to locate the software distribution folder and proceed to delete it. After deleting the software distribution folder, launch the Windows Settings app and click on System. In the Windows system, scroll down, you find Troubleshoot and click on it. Now choose Other Troubleshoot. Since this is about Windows Update, select the Windows Update option and click on Run. This will examine the problem. Here you need to choose one of these options that you are experiencing since Windows Update fails. I need to choose the first option, which says I can't download and install an update. After choosing the option, you now need to grant Windows permission to run the Windows Update Automated Diagnostic. After this message appears, Windows Update will automatically start to check and download the update. Should the Windows Update still fail, you can run sfcdism to fix corrupt system files by using CMD as administrator. Search for CMD, run it as an administrator, and type in this, sfc/scannow. This will restore some of the corrupted files. Once it's done, restart your PC and then check if the Windows Update is working perfectly. If it fails to update, try this instead. Go to your browser and check for Windows Update Fixer. Choose the first one. Windows Update Fixer is light, free software that can automatically fix Windows issues. When you scroll down, you will even see a screenshot of the software showing how the program looks in Windows with dark mode. It also shows how the main screen looks and even displays Windows Update and what it recommends you to do. To download this app, click on the Download tab and then click on this link to download. Once it's done, proceed with the installation. After launching the app, click on the Analyze button to check for the Windows Update problem. As you can see, there is a pop-up window indicating that there is a problem with Windows Defender. In this case, I will first proceed to fix Windows Update. This will take some time to complete. Once it's completed, restart your PC and check back with the Windows Updater. Here, one update is successful while the other is not. This means that the Windows Update Fixer couldn't fix the problem, therefore, all you need is to copy and search for this error. Go to your browser and search for Microsoft Windows Defender 4.18 download and choose the first option. Now, on this Windows Update catalog, download the update for the Microsoft Defender Antivirus Anti-Malware platform by clicking on the Download button. Once this window pops up, choose the system type your PC runs on. After the file is downloaded, click Show Folder to go to the location of the exe file. Then run it as an administrator. Now, go to the Windows Updater and check for updates again. Make sure your internet connection is stable before proceeding. Once the updates are found, follow the prompts to install them and ensure your system is up to date for optimal performance. Finally, it's updating. This is how you can fix Windows Updater errors. Let me know if you have learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for future videos.